In this video we're giving an honest review of Internxt Cloud Storage, what it offers, how secure it really is, and whether it's worth your trust. Internxt promotes itself as a privacy-first cloud service with end-to-end encryption and zero-knowledge architecture, meaning even the company can't access your data. It's also open source, so anyone can review its code, which adds transparency. Users get 1 GB free, and paid plans, including lifetime options up to 5 TB, are competitively priced. The interface is clean and simple, allowing file syncing, backup, and easy drag-and-drop uploads through both desktop and mobile apps. But while Internxt looks great on paper, there are important trade-offs. Many users report slow upload and download speeds, especially for larger files, and occasional bugs or crashes on Windows and mobile versions. The lifetime plans have also drawn criticism. Some users have mentioned changing terms or slow customer support when issues arise. In addition, while its security foundation is solid, Internxt lacks collaboration tools and advanced features you'd find in mainstream platforms like Google Drive or Dropbox. For instance, shared folders and file management options can feel limited, making it more of a personal backup solution than a productivity hub. Overall, Internxt is best for privacy-focused users who want a simple, secure place to store sensitive files. Not for those needing fast sync, real-time collaboration, or business integrations. If you value data privacy above convenience, it's worth a try, especially starting with the free tier. If this review helped you decide, don't forget to subscribe for more honest and practical tech reviews.